Namaste students, myself Devin Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's topic is brief account on ecology, morphology of fungi. So we will start up from the introduction. Fungi are eukaryotic protista, which is differ from bacteria and other prokaryotes. And there are several characteristics of fungi like cell walls containing chitin, mannan, and other polysaccharides. Cytoplasmic membrane contains ergosterols. Cytoplasmic contents include mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum. It divides asexually, sexually, or by both. It is unicellular or multicellular. So most fungi are obligate and facultative aerobics. Next is structure of fungus. Yeast. Yeast is unicellular budding yeast and hypha. Elongation of apical cell produces a tubular thread-like structure called hypha. Hypha may be separate or non-septate. What is mycelium? Mycelium is tangled mass of hyphae. It's called mycelium. Fungi producing mycelia are called molds or filamentous fungi. Mycelium. Mycelium is a mass of branching, intertwined hyphae, and vegetative mycelium is hyphae that penetrate the supporting medium and absorb nutrients. Next is aerial mycelium. Mycelium hyphae projects above the surface of medium and bear the reproductive structure called conidia. Vegetative types. Classification of fungi. So there are two types of classification: morphological classification and systematic classification. In morphological classification, there are yeast-like fungi, filamentous fungi, and dimorphic fungi. What is yeast? These occur in the form of round or oval bodies which reproduce by an asexual process called budding, in which the cell develops a protuberance which enlarges the and eventually separates from the parent cell. Yeast colonies resemble bacterial colonies in appearance and consistency. Its example is Saccharomyces cerevisiae and Cryptococcus neoformans. So it is yeast-like fungi grow partially as yeast and partially as elongated cells resembling hyphae, the latter from the pseudomycelium. Its example is Candida albicans. What is filamentous fungi? It is the basic morphological elements of filamentous fungi are long branching filaments or hyphae which intertwine to produce a mass of filaments or mycelium. Its colonies are strongly adherent to the medium and unlike most bacterial colonies cannot be emulsified in water. Reproduced by the formation of different types of spores. Its example is dermatophytes, Aspergillus, Penicillium, Mucor, and Rhizopus. What is dimorphic fungi? These are fungi which exhibit a yeast from in the host tissue and in vitro at 37 degrees Celsius on enriched media and mycelium formed in vitro at 25 degrees Celsius. Its example is Histoplasma capsicum, Blastomyces, Penicillium, and Sporothrix. So this is all about the morphology and ecology of fungi. If we talk about reproduction and sporulation, there are two types of fungal spores: sexual spores and asexual spores. So in next video we will discuss about the reproduction of fungi. Thank you, students.